think you're better off alone? Do you think you're better off alone?
Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to make a offer for a product where you'll be able to have them be charged a certain amount per month, but the first month you can have a special offer price such as $0 down, $1 down, whatever it would be. Very similar to the Builderall $1 offer where we charge $1 for the first 30 days and then you get billed $69.90 after. So let's take a look at that example I will make. I'm going to make a new product. So we're going to have, this is going to be our recurring product because it has to be a recurring product for this to work. You'll give it a description and we'll just do a digital and we'll just say a subscription. We need to have at least one payment method, of course, your currency, all that. But when we do the recurring payment now, this is important to note that this is going to be what is based on the payment. So you'll definitely want to give it a subscription. So we'll call this the special payments or whichever you want to call it. This is going to be how much you want them charged per month. So if I do like the $69.90, for example, similar to the Builderall plan. So we'll just call this Builderall special offer or whatever you want to do. This is going to be they'll be charged every month $69.90 with this setting, but you could change this to, days, weeks, days, years, however you want to do it. And this is infinite payments or a set number of payments. So you can keep it infinite until the customer cancels, or you can have a set number as well. But I'm just going to keep it infinite. And then you're going to make sure that that is applied, which it is. You have the plan. Everything else is pretty straightforward. Do you want affiliation? I'm just going to do the 3-step checkout. We just need to make sure we have a thank you page and a page where you're selling. Everything else pretty straightforward. Nothing that we really need to do here in terms of the product itself. So that's it. Now I have a recurring payment product. What I'm going to do is go to the create offers area. So this is going to be my my down payment offer that I'm going to example here. We're going to have our main product, recurring product. And you can see that this custom subscription option came up, right? So that's going to be what we're going to look for. So when I go to next, the pricing, we don't need to focus on this. We go to the custom subscription option instead. We can do the pricing here if you want to do a discount or anything like that, but we need to focus on the custom subscription. You can see that we're going to do this create promotional period, like free trial or $1 first month. If I do this, you're going to set the period in months. So that would be the first month. And then the promotional value for this period. It could be $0. It could be $1. For my example, I do $1, but you can make it however much you want. And this will be the amount they pay for the first month. You could have it extend past 1 month, but in this example, it's just going to be for the first month. So for this example, you could see in the first month, they'll pay $1. Then every month, they'll pay $69.90 afterwards. And that's all you have to do. Then you'll share this link on your page, your checkout button, and they will be able to pay $1 down and $69.90 per month on this example.